Hello? I'm here for the trade. I'm here for the drug trade. You know the good stuff? Hello? I can do any other day if you're not available.
I'm the one who's looking for the trade.
There you are, dude. I was starting to get worried you would abandon me, dude. Wouldn't be fair. Drove up all the way here for nothing. So, you got the money?
Yeah.
Are you all alone? You got the stuff, right?
Yeah. Got a problem with it?
No, man, I'm just making sure. I've had a lot of sketchy past. I'm trying to get suspicious on you, dude. Are you sure you don't have anything on you?
Yeah.
Why the hell are you putting your hand behind your back?
Why can't I?
You best stay where you are, pal. If you make any sudden moves, I'm gonna have to kill you, huh? If you don't have that freaking jar, I'm gonna have to blow your freaking brains out, dude. Now, let's stay where you are. If you ever even lay a hand on you, I'm gonna have to blow your brains out. It's loaded. You wanna take a poke? Yo, please. I'm sorry.
Put your hands on me one more time.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, shoot. Who the hell sent you?
Chill, I'm not here to steal your fidget spinners.
The whole economy has collapsed from all this bull crap. The whole economy is run on fidget spinners. And I'm over here freaking saying egg in a jar because that's code names for this crap. You understand now?
I don't care what you say, but Mom died from a fidget spinner accident. You feel me?
Alright, chill. I can find who killed your family, alright? You don't have to hurt me, alright? I'm on your side, alright? Just chill. To make it up to you, I'll give you a free fidget spinner, alright?
Told you, those are worth so much money. How'd you get one of these?
I have connections, dude. Isn't it cool, dude?
Yeah, this is amazing.
Oh, awesome, dude.
This is
pretty
really
cool.
This is amazing, right?
Yeah, this is very cool, man. You wanna know how I got it?
Yeah.
So I have connections with this one guy named Ivory.